What you see now is the Enbon R3 series. As the main product of the Enbon rental series, the large screen of R3 makes it very suitable for public places. The R3 series has 500x500 and 500x1000 cabinets can work together. In addition, the Enbon R3 series has many excellent details. Flip-over protective corner design greatly improves the stability and safety of use. The humanized grip design allows you to take it easily. Compared with the traditional public cabinet, the installation and maintenance of R3 series is more convenient. The double quick lock design allows users to save a lot of time on installation and maintenance.